How's it going, people? Today I have an Air Max 90 and the official colorway to this is Sesame Rush Pink Coconut Milk. It comes in this Move to Zero box because it is also part of the Next Nature pack. As you can see, no fucking tissue paper. Now here are the sneakers themselves. Where it usually says Air Max, you have the Air Sprung writing. That's how you know it's part of the Air Sprung pack. And that's a dead giveaway.
Very much. Dead giveaway.
When it comes to materials, the quality is just exceptional. Now on the heel tab you have the smiling mushroom. They've used this swoosh for its mouth and it looks like it's smiling. On the insoles you have a butterfly, what seems to be a butterfly, and the tongue is quite different as well. It's very well padded. You have the wording swoosh multiple times, and at the bottom it just says just do it. It's a very interesting design. I mean, I really like it. I really do like it, especially the tongue. The tongue is just different. It feels nice. And I also have the 95s that was released alongside the 90s for the Air Sprung pack. So stay tuned for that. Now carrying on with the on feed. Again, it is an Air Max 90. I'm a big fan of 90s. I'm sure you guys are aware. I post quite a few 90s in the past, and this just feels like any other Air Max 90 on my feed. I don't know if the Air Sprung pack has anything to do with comfort, but I don't feel like this is any more comfortable than the other ones I've had, or it's any less comfortable. It is exactly how I remember. If you're looking for a reason to buy these sneakers, get it for the tongue, man. The tongue is just incredible. And the design, the design is fantastic as well. It's very well implemented with the mushroom on the back. The fabrics, especially the fabrics are just amazing. But it's just the purple, man. I mean, either change the purple or the pink. I don't think they go well together. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Maybe I'm just being weird. I just don't like it. And it's exactly the same for me with the 95s as well. I don't like the way they have used all these colors together. It's just not for me. Now onto the crease test. Because of the fabrics they have used, I think you guys will be just safe from any sort of creasing. So with everyday walking, you will be perfectly fine. But then if you look here with the extreme crease test, there is a slight bit of crease, but this will come out. Put a shoe tree in it overnight and it will disappear. I'm going to start giving sneakers a score, and the score is 8.5 because it is fucking comfortable. The materials are just brilliant, but the colors, they let these sneakers down, in my opinion. Anyways guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.